You're buying a product online and you see 3 different sellers. They're all offering that same product at almost the same prices. One of them has a 100% positive rating but with only 10 reviews. Another has a 96% positive rating with 50 total reviews. And yet another has a 93% positive rating with 200 total reviews. Which seller would you buy from? What is your probability of getting a positive review with each seller? We all have this instinct that the more data we have, it gives us more confidence. We are a little suspicious about having a 100% positive rating because the number of reviews is very less. So, how do we decide that with which seller our probability of getting a good experience will be the highest? When you see an online reading, something like this 10 out of 10, you pretend that there were 2 more readings, one that was positive and one that was negative. In this case, you pretend that there were 11 out of 12, which would give you 91.7%. Now this is your probability of getting a good experience with the first seller. So, in the case of 50 reviews where you have 48 positive and 2 negative, you pretend that it's 49 positive and 3 negative, which would give you 49 out of 52 or 94.2%. That's your probability of having a good experience with the second seller. Playing the same game with our third seller, which had 186 positive and 14 negative reviews, we get 187 out of 202 or 92.6%. Thus, our result is 91.7% with the first seller, 94.2% with the second seller, and 92.6% with the third seller. This means our best bet is to go with seller number 2. This way of finding out probabilities is known as the Laplace's rule of succession. It dates back to the 17th century. Thank you for watching. This was Tana Minghani from class 9th F.